Finishing up a full detail on this car here. Doing a wax job on it now. We've done the interior. All cleaned up inside here. We shampooed the seats, all the doors, center console, dashboard, everything has been detailed inside of this car. Everything. I got all the pet hair off, out of the seats and out of the carpet. Still got wax on it, so we're taking the wax off right now. They're gonna dress those tires up really nice. This is a pretty nice car. So on the World Wide Web, Bing, Yahoo, Google, all those great engines, even including Facebook and YouTube, put in Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington first, and then put in the car wash man. It'll pop right to the top. Hundreds of videos on YouTube. There's 2 YouTube channels, Facebook, lots of referrals and references there. And you guys have a great day. Or just give us a call.